की khubor ka bate si TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ga jing shakri ga jongka baden Sngewbha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau
Uba Vincent H. Pala ubadai President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Pdiang Sngewbha ya kanu ka Kynhun Tohkit Halor ka jingkno ba Khaïi Be-Aiñ Dewïong hapo ka jela Meghalaya. Habaya kren bat gilat patai kubor uba Vincent H. Pala ulayatu baka kam Khaïi Be-Aiñ Dewïong kala sedang shiphouse nem menshwa bat kumjuru drug bat kumban ainuksa mentala da kits air nagoti shalong don kamban siu kumba arpo ni laipo hajar. Bat yakani lami ru hakilat patai kubor. Shushu uba palau laong balada late ra'yo Dewïong na Giant Hills Gohati don kamban siu pisah haduk kendai pun rio hajar tengka bat lada pikit motion na Giant Hills Gohati don kamban siu arpo hajar tengka. Uba palau la benrap ru bau kershan yo Dr. Mukul Sangma bandon ka jing Tohkit bat kani ka Kynhun Tohkit kadai ban long yaki shiphouse nem ki balalej.
I will welcome any investigations. Let me tell you, the illegal coal starts for the last 10 years. The illegal transportation of coal is for the last 10 years. Drugs, more than 10 years. Anything, for example, today, if you carry chicken from Guwahati to Shillong, you have to pay 20 or 30,000 per pickup. It came in the social media, it came in the news. If you are to carry coal from Giant Hills to Guwahati, you have to pay 96,000. It is there in the social media, it is there in the thing. If you have to carry limestone from Giant Hills to Guwahati, you have to pay 20,000. It's there in it is in record. If you have to carry sand, if you carry anything, you have to make an entry. So everything needs an entry, and this entry starts for the last 10 years. So I fully support Mukul's idea that we should have an investigation, and investigation should be at least for the last 10 years.
I think this is the agenda of the BJP and NPP. There's no doubt. Whatever the BJP is doing or the BJP associates member are doing, the same thing the NPP is doing and their friends, there's nothing wrong with it. Inside, they are together only. They may say this, they may say that. Why not they take an action? If they don't take an action, that means they are hand in glove with it. There's no difference. NPP and BJP, they work together, live together, sleep together, same agenda. There's no difference.